Meaning of Gloucester.
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 Gloucester. Gloucester is a city in southwest England, with a population of around 130,000 people. The name Gloucester comes from the Old English words glod, meaning bright or shining, and cester, meaning Roman town or fort. Gloucester has a rich history dating back to Roman times, and it played an important role during the Middle Ages as a center for trade and commerce. Today, it is known for its impressive Gothic cathedral, picturesque waterfront, and for being the birthplace of several notable figures, including composer Ralph Vaughan Williams and actor Robert Hardy.